Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check file size in Windows. So let's begin. So we can actually do two different ways. Like a easy way we can do this is, for example, if you're going to, I have some movies in here. If you're going to click on a movie, this is how it's being shown, like under view. If you're going to right click on that, it shows details. Normally it should be like another default setting I have here, but since it's on details, you can actually see the size of this. It's 4,000 kilobytes. Now another way is to simply right click on this file, go to properties, and you can see under location, size on disk, it shows 4 gigabytes. And you can take note of this. It's actually pretty much the same. Okay, so that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.